Remedies presents One Herb for Healthy Eyes, Lungs and Digestive System. Rosemary is a fragrant evergreen herb native to Mediterranean region. It has a warm, bitter taste and it provides a nice flavor and aroma to many foods. Let's look at some of the many potential health benefits of rosemary. Boosts immunity. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. Improves digestion. Sipping on a freshly brewed rosemary tea after your meal can help you with digestion problems including heartburn, intestinal gas, liver and gallbladder complaints, and loss of appetite. Neurological health. The aroma of rosemary has been linked to improving mood, clearing the mind and relieving stress in those with chronic anxiety, multiple sclerosis, or stress hormone imbalances. Try inhaling rosemary oil through a diffuser for better neurological health. Memory and concentration. Rosemary is considered a cognitive stimulant and can help improve memory performance and quality. Studies have shown that rosemary can improve memory and concentration by 30%. You can make rosemary tea or use the essential oil in a diffuser in your room or your workplace. It will highly alert you and boost your intelligence and focus. Eye health. Macular degeneration. A condition occurs when a small central portion of retina macula worsens. Taking rosemary tea can reduce risk of macular degeneration. Lungs health. If you have a lot of mucus buildup in lungs, use rosemary tea for clearing out your lungs. Water retention. Rosemary acts as a natural diuretic and helps in flushing out harmful toxins from the body. People who experience regular water retention and women who experience bloating in their periods can benefit from the tea. How to use. Rosemary is used as a seasoning in a variety of dishes such as soups, salads, stews, etc. How to make rosemary tea. Boil a cup of water and add 1 teaspoon of loose rosemary leaves to it. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes depending on how flavorful you like your tea. You can add a few drops of lemon juice for taste. Enjoy. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.